Hi everyone, welcome to my new channel. I'm from China and here high-end RC car models are really popular and accessible. Today I'm introducing a fantastic tiny RC car from WL Toys, a top brand in China for modern, affordable RC cars. Since early 2026, they released this tiny 1:64 scale Bigfoot car model, about 100 millimeters long, which is small enough to fit in your hand. Let me show you the details. The car is beautifully designed, made of plastic, but the standout feature is the built-in camera. You can drive it in FPV mode, so you see exactly what the car sees, almost like you're in the driver's seat. And the FPV is super flexible. You're not just tied to on the screen. You can also use your phone. Just download the WL Toys app, and you can connect the camera via Wi-Fi straight from your phone. It also has full proportional steering, so turns are smooth, not just steps, and the lights turn with the steering. The FPV step is super easy. Just mount a screen or use your phone, and it links right up. Battery life is about 30 minutes on a single charge without FPV and 20 minutes with it. There are 3 speed levels. At the lowest speed, it can climb over small obstacles, and at the highest speed, it's perfect for racing. Plus, it has a gyroscope function, which keeps the car stable on the track, even on bumpy surfaces. Overall, this tiny car is packed.